Today's job lead is specifically for women who are looking for work from home opportunities. And you can be a stay at home mom or a homemaker, so no matter what. So today's job lead is for holiday expert with a well known travel company, which is MakeMyTrip. And the company offers work from home opportunities specifically to women. And here it says that whether you took a break in your career, need a job with work life balance, or want to boost your income, we understand your aspirations. You don't have to choose between professional and personal growth. As a Make My Trip holiday expert, you can simply work from home, enjoy flexible timings, and grow your earning. So here's the opportunity, and the company meant to empower women, and the company offers a work from home opportunity as a holiday expert to women. Now let's check out about the benefits that you can get while working as a holiday expert at Make My Trip. So you will be getting all the work from home benefits such as no dress code, limited distractions, and to-do list. Here it is mentioned that hop on calls from any comfortable spot inside your house without having to worry about blocking meeting rooms or dealing with unwanted distractions. You can choose any corner or any space of your house to start working, and here like master your work from home routine with a to-do list and enjoy the best of both worlds. And then zero commuting. This is a work from home opportunity, you're not required to commute anywhere. And so then save money and meaningful moments with loved ones and flexible timings. This holiday expert job will offer you flexible timing. Here you can work at your own pace, plan your day as per your convenience, and embrace a schedule that allows you to optimize your productivity and spend quality time with your family. Then impressive pay. So the payment basically varies depending on the time you give and the calls you make or the efforts you make. There are some of the women who have already been working with Make My Trip as a holiday expert. Here, the company has provided your career playbook as a holiday expert at Make My Trip. So here they have written that at Make My Trip, we understand how important it is to know what is the next logical step of your career, and we are chalking it out for you. Here the company has mentioned about the career journey. So in like initial 0 to 3 months, for initial 0 to 3 months, you will be getting destination and tool training, understanding customer handling process, expanding opportunities through existing network. So here you will be learning business nuances and understanding the customer. And then 3 to 6 months, building destination expertise, refresher training, and understanding the conversion improvement avenues. And then in 6 to 12 months, you will be having like performance and knowledge upskilling. You will be learning newer destinations, customized product training, learning how to increase the TTV in a package, and then repeat and referral training, and then exploring projects linked to your interest and passion, for example, training, content, customer service, HR, etc. And then opportunity to become a destination star. You will be exploring projects linked to your interest and passion, for example, training, content, customer service, HR, etc. And you will have the opportunity to become a destination star. Get invited to be a part of destination planning and discussions. And then in your growth phase, you will have the chance to get elevated to a team leader and managing a set of holiday experts, leading training business and engagement for your team, leading to training leading training, business engagement for your team, and then unlocking potential. In this phase, you will have the opportunity to explore possibilities of HE and MMT partnership and growth projects and new avenues. So there are some of the terms that you will be knowing after you join the company. And here the company will provide all type of trainings for you to learn how to work and how to proceed individually as a fresher you will have the opportunity to become a team leader and handle a team within 5 years of time. Here the Make My Trip promise. So here they have written that with an amazing team of more than 1,500 holiday experts across the country, Make My Trip is changing the world of holidays. It has just built this diverse community, but is always there to support them in their professional journey by offering them. Here they have, as I said, that the company offers regular training and skill development and subject matter expert. Here you will be getting all type of knowledge and information related to the product that you will be discussing with your customers. And then team leaders for support. You will be having team leaders to support you. And then growth-based incentives and continuous engagement with the holiday expert network. Here they have written that join us to be a part of India's leading travel company, Make My Trip. And if you are interested, you can go ahead and apply. So here are some of the frequently asked questions. Now here they have said that how much time daily do I need to give the job of a holiday expert? So this is a flexible opportunity, and there are no mandatory minimum hours of work required. However, we have observed that approximately 5 to 6 hours daily are needed to cater to customer requirements and build the business. So it is important if you give at least like 5 to 6 hours a day. Then how can I get started? So if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and apply for this position. And how do I make money? So here the holiday expert model operates completely on a variable payout system. The amount of monthly payout depends on factors such as bookings done for holiday packages, the total value of these bookings, and customer focused parameters and adherence to the processes. Apart from this, we like the company regularly run incentive campaigns, gift voucher offers, and then vacation offers or travel incentives and more to enhance the overall benefits for their employees. So basically, this is a very good opportunity for stay-at-home moms. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and apply for the position. And here you will have the opportunity to work as much as you want or as little as you want. And the payment will be variable depending on your efforts, as well as the number of holiday packages that you got bookings for, and the total value of these bookings. So yeah, I think this is a good opportunity, and if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and here's the application form, and you can fill out the application form by providing your name, age, and then active WhatsApp contact number, email address, current city where you're residing, and then educational qualification. So here they have written that from undergraduate to graduate, postgraduate, so anyone can apply with a college degree, or as well as of like even 12th pass will also work. And then gender, okay, then you need to provide prior work experience if you have any, and then prior work experience in travel or hospitality industry. From where did you find about us? And then do you have a laptop or desktop available to work? So you have to provide all the information, and then yeah, submit the application form. This could be a great opportunity for women who wish to have a work from home opportunity while staying at home, and who wish to earn money while staying at home. Thank you for listening.